Quality Control for Shoes by Lucas Velázquez Sánchez. The quality control for shoes is done to find defects in the design or the production. The inspector tests the shoes that work to simulate the use and the degradation of the product with the time. Inspection. Pressure and bounce. A weak bounce is a serious defect for a shoe fabricator. In many cases, pushing in the bounce zone can reveal insufficient glue, rubbing the material discoloration. The materials that lose color either because they get mixed in with other colors or because they lose color rapidly are serious defects for a shoe buyer. Rubbing the material helps detect the defects immediately. Rub the logo and print. The logos are important, particularly for shoe brands and the fashion industry. Simulating the friction of having it done and rubbing it with a dry or wet tissue. Even one with alcohol can detect a low quality impression. Performance test. The shoes are tested in daily use like walking, running, jumping to feel if it is comfortable and works fine. These tests are subjective and according to the type of consumer. Test of abuse. The shoe is checked to see how much it can hold by breaking it, squeezing it and simulating it, like an angry consumer with the product. Other tests of quality control. Metal detection test. Needles, staples, and laces are objects found in shoes and are considered like defects and signals of alarm because they can harm the consumer. Binding test. Shoes like tennis and sport shoes need to have a good grip of the feet so they don't lose flexibility. Folding the shoe in a continuous form can help to detect soft spots like lack of glue or weak seams. Pinch test. You can prove if the outsole has been glued on correctly by pushing inside with your nail. If the material bounces, then that indicates that the shoe is of good quality. The shoe's innovation is Deluxe Cycling Shoes. It's an enterprise that is situated in the sector of the new cycling technologies, with more than 25 years of experience in the international cycling sector. They create products and solutions for the innovation and creativity that allow the cyclists to improve their performance and increase their passion for this sport. The obtained results will allow the enterprise to commercialize a new product that is able to monitor the movements that will determine the improvement in the performance of these athletes. It is a wireless communication system that transmits the information to a visualizing equipment collected by several sensors, fundamentally obtain data related to cycle effort, such as power and rhythm. This high technological grade product improves the well-being of the cyclist, provides great internal ventilation, more optimal transmission of the energy during pedaling.